I also bring a special word of commendation from.
And I'll have the pleasure to invite the person
on the forestation and natural resources
has aided the planting of over 10,000 trees in another
and the surrounding catchments.
We will also be what? Be sick. So we are here to restore the environment.
He has told me that this is very, very crucial.
Peter Anambra, the special advisor to VC on land resource management.
2019.
Communication. He is also representing the Director General.
Members of the press, ladies and gentlemen.
We all know the devastation that is happening in Anambra State, which the root cause is habitat degradation, because that is what is leading to that. And we'll be able to develop that plan. We'll be able to advocate for it to be the buy-in of policymakers, so that we'll be able to use it to ensure that we are able to stop, first of all, the devastation that is going on, then reverse the trend.
Same way people invest in energy, in buying and selling, people can also invest in environmental and waste management, and government should recognize that. I tell you that if private sector is involved very actively with the support of government through setting specific policies in environmental waste management, it will be a thing of the past.